PUBG Mobile Self-Revive Kit. How to find and use emergency self-revive on PUBG Mobile. The emergency self-revive kit or self-AED in PUBG Mobile is a very rare survival item that lets you revive yourself when knocked down without needing a teammate, even in solo matches. So when knocked, like whenever you are in a particular game, let's say you're starting a particular game and you're waiting for the team to pile up. So whenever you're in the game, when you're knocked, you have to tap on the self revive icon on your screen, wait about 10 seconds and get back up with 30 HP. So how to use is basically you need to have it in your inventory, so ensure the kit is sitting in your backpack before a fight starts, and it works automatically as a passive item when triggered. And when gotten knocked down, you fall into the DB and no down but not out state during a solo, duo or squad. And this way you can use and find this emergency self-revive kit. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.